Just real quick before I cover it up, on the firewall cowl mounted style hood hinges for 60 to 66 Chevy GMC. I have the switch suspension ones, gas strut assisted, but just wanted to show you what it looks like under the cowl after you cut it. Now I may come back and make a little cover for this. But right now, pretty simple setup. It's all in the measurements, right? Which they lay out in the instructions pretty well. You have to have that center line that you see marked. Has to be laid out, and then you'll have to transfer that to the hood, so you can end up welding these pieces. There's not side-to-side adjustment on these. You can move them forward and back just a little bit in the end. You'll have to make a template from the bottom of your main part. You'll have to cut it out of the cowl, either side, and then a couple screws that come up through the bottom. Make sure you have some kind of windshield silicone on that so that it doesn't leak when your water's coming through the cowl. And then you'll end up making a template for this piece to cut the hole out, this piece to slot, and then everything just bolts together. Pretty good system. Most of the time spent is cutting the part out for top of the cowl, and make sure you measure right. Make sure you get all that lined up so everything turns out well in the end.